Hi friends and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial look on this look that I am wearing right now. I did something different today. I tried the Korean look makeup. I don't know if I really did it well or not. I'm definitely not used to doing Korean style makeup because most of my makeup style is inspired by the Western look. So this is the first time I'm trying Korean makeup style. You can see how different it is than my usual makeup. I wish it could be better, but I think I look really cute. If you've clicked this video, that means you want to watch a makeup tutorial on this look right here. So without further ado, let's get on with the tutorial.
First of all, prime. I'll be using the Face Blur Primer from Etude House today. This primer is awesome because it has SPF. Next, I'm gonna apply some of this Fix and Fix primer in Apricot to help even out my skin tone. For foundation, I'll be using the Double Lasting Foundation from Etude House. I'm applying it on my face with a damp beauty sponge and just blending it all out as evenly as I can. And then I'm going to set everything in place using this MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder. Moving on to brows, I'm gonna use Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil to fill in my brows today. I used a lighter shade of pencil than I usually use to complement the Korean makeup look. I'm also trying my best to draw out a straight brow. On to the eyes. Start with priming your eyelids. Next, using a fluffy brush, I'm picking up some of this taupe shade from the Blend Eyeshadow Quad from Etude House and applying it all over my eyelids up to below my brows. After that, I picked up the shade Whiskey from this Dark Night palette and applied that into the crease to darken the eyes. Then take some of this goldish shimmer shade on your finger and apply it right at the center of your eyelid. Then go back to the shade Whiskey and start smoking out the lower lash line, concentrating on the outer corners. Once you're done, curl those lashes and apply some mascara. For eyeliner, I'm using the Super Slim Brush Liner from Etude House. This part is a bit tricky. Make sure your eyeliner flick is not too angled. Just a soft one following your natural eyeline would be enough, if that makes any sense. This part is optional, but I've put on some natural looking falsies to add a little bit more drama into this look. Add a bit of black eyeshadow on the outer corners of the eyes right below the eyeliner for the illusion of bigger eyes. Next, I picked up some of this Starlit powder from Makeup Forever and applied it on the inner corners and halfway into the lower lash line as well. And then I continued with lining my waterline white. For contour, I'll be using this Play 101 stick from Etude House to contour my face and nose. Then I just blended it all out with a brush. Oh, and did I mention that Etude House has just officially launched on Lazada? You can click on the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. As for highlight, I'm using this mini Play 101 stick on my cheekbones, tips and bridge of my nose, and also the brow bone. Since this is a cream highlight, I decided to blend it all out by dabbing my fingers. To conceal the under eyes and also highlight, I used the other end of the Play 101 stick and applied it underneath the eyes and on the T-zone. Then I blended it out using a dense brush. Oh, and of course, don't forget to set it with powder so it won't budge. Next, I'm picking up this mini Play 101 stick in red and just dot it across my cheeks as a blush. When it comes to cream products, you can either use a dense brush or just your fingers to blend. To soften and also set that cream blush, I'm taking a bit of this orange blush from Sleek and tap it on top of the cream blush before. Lipstick time, I'll be using this MAC lipstick in Kinda Sexy and apply it all over my lips, and then take this red lipstick from Etude House and apply it on the inner part of the lip for that iconic Korean lips. Finally, spray on some dewy finish setting spray and we're done.
that's the finished look. This is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, you can click on the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye bye. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video